questions 1 through 10 on the 2007 Grade 7 Gauss Math Contest. The value of 4 minus 3 times 2 is 4 minus 3 is 1, and then 1 times 2 is 2. So number 1, the answer is B. What number represents 10,000? 10,000 is written as 1 followed by 4 zeros. So number 2, the answer would be C. What integer should be placed in the box to make the statement box minus 5 is equal to 2 true? I'll just write an x instead of a box. That means x minus 5 is equal to 2. Bring the 5 over to the other side and you get x equal to 7, or box equal to 7. And therefore number 3, the answer is A. If Mukesh got 80% on a test, which has a total of 50 marks, how many marks did he get? X over 50 is 80%, which is 0.8. And cross multiplying, you get 50 times 0.8, which is 40. So he got 40 marks out of this 50 mark test. So number 4, the answer is A. The sum of 7 over 10 plus 3 over 100 plus 9 over 1,000 is. Let's get a common denominator, which is 1,000. You would have to multiply top and bottom here by 100. That gives you 700. Top and bottom here by 10. That gives you 30. And this one just becomes 9. So that's 739 over 1,000. And they've got the answers in decimal format. And this is 0.739. So number 5, the answer is D. Mark has 3/4 of a dollar and Carolyn has 3/10 of a dollar. Together they have 3/4 of a dollar is 75 cents. And 3/10 of a dollar is 30 cents. So together they have $1.05. And therefore number 6, the answer is E. Six students have an apple eating contest. The graph shows the number of apples eaten by each student. Lorenzo ate the most apples and Joe ate the fewest. How many more apples did Lorenzo eat than Joe? Well, looks like Lorenzo, who ate the most, is this guy. So that is 6. And Joe, who ate the fewest, is this guy. And that looks like 1. So comparing 6 to 1, Lorenzo ate 5 more than Joe. So number 7, the answer is B. In the diagram, what is the value of x? Because opposite angles, this angle will be the same as that angle. So therefore, this is also x. And then the sum of the angles of a triangle are always 180. So x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180. Solving, you get x is equal to 180 minus 110. And therefore x is equal to 70. So number 8, the answer is E. The word bank is painted exactly as shown on the outside of a clear glass window. Looking out through the window from the inside of the building, the word appears as. So you just have to use a little visualization here. The word bank, if you're looking at it sort of like as a reflection in a mirror. So B is going to be here, but it's going to look like that. A obviously is right next to it, but it doesn't change. N, however, does change. It's not going to look like this. It will look like this. And then finally, K will be like that. So of the answer choices, the one that looks like this is D. A large box of chocolates and a small box of chocolates together cost $15. If the large box costs $3 more than the small box, what is the price of the small box of chocolates? So L plus S is equal to 15, but they also tell me that L is equal to S plus 3. So substitute this into there, and if you do that, you get S plus 3 plus S is equal to 15. So 2S is equal to 12, and therefore S is equal to 6. So the small box of chocolates costs $6, and therefore number 10, the answer is D.